Hello again, this is Rob Veach. I'm doing a video review of a plastic white toilet seat cover. This is the Bemis 800EC in white. It's round, it's not the oval. And what's unique about this, open it up, it has a little label right there. And it mentions easy clean and change. So it has these included nylon bolts with a special top on them that locks into this. It allows you to twist this on and off for easy cleaning, which is nice because we all know this section right here on the toilet gets a little gunked up over time and it becomes really hard to clean because you have this toilet seat in the way. This allows you to remove the whole thing and sanitize it in your utility sink and put it right back on. So what's included is the nylon bolts with a quick release on there, a little instruction sheet, how to install this, little note about cleaning, not to use abrasive things or strong detergents that come out of a can, a spray can, because it could break the plastic down. So we're going to install this right now and show you how it's done. So the first thing you want to do is clean your toilet and remove the old toilet seat. And I had a lot of calcium and some caulk on those holes right here, so I had to clean those out. And then I used your CLR to remove any calcium there, and then some other cleaners to clean it out nicely. So you want to make sure you start with a nice clean toilet. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to install the two special nuts and bolts that hold the quick release on. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, relatively large head, to fit in these screws here. So these are self-centering. The bottom is also self-centering. Kind of snaps in place. And you put this on the bottom and you turn it clockwise like you'd expect. And you could hold the bottom of it when you're turning. Those little holders right here help you out. They kind of hit the side of the toilet, so it's a little easier to turn this. Keep dropping things. Now it's a pretty long nut, so it takes a lot of turns. But you want to tighten it, but you don't want to over tighten it. And then repeat the same for the other side. So there is a unlocked position and a locked position. Locked is clockwise and unlocked is counterclockwise. So you want to have them counterclockwise and you want to set them down over those gray nuts that we showed, and then you want to turn it clockwise into the lock position. And there you have it. Installation is complete. So what do I think about this product? I think this is a great idea. It's always been a hassle clean on any toilet seat by those bolts. This eliminates that problem. It's going to be very high quality. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.